So this training is going to be on soil types and gradations. So to start this off, let's look at the different soil types and kind of look at the size differences. If you see gravel here blown up in comparison to sand, gravel is actually a lot bigger than sand, as we know. But sand is a lot bigger than silt, and silt is a lot bigger than clay. In fact, you can't even see clay at this scale. So there's your size differences. From a looks difference, we're familiar with gravel and sands. These classify granular soils. Sands and gravels are considered granular. If you look here, we have silt and we have clay. These are considered fine-grained soils. So they're much smaller. The reason they're called fine-grained soils is by the sieves that they can fit through. So a silt and a clay being fine-grained, if you look here at this sieve, it's called a number 200 sieve. It's very, very small openings, and only silt and clay can fit through it because they're fine-grained. Sands, gravels, and clays get caught at differing sizes of sieves, and that's how we classify what kind of sand it is, whether it's medium, light, coarse sand, large gravel, or coarse gravel. So if we look here at gradation results, so this is an actual material from Geneva where they use the sieves, different sieve sizes, and were able to tell us how much of the material passed through different sieves. In this case, 18% of the material was gravel, 31% of it was sand, and 51% was silt and clay. The reason we know that it was either silt or clay was on a number 200. It said 51% of it was able to pass through a number 200. So the majority of this material is a silt and a clay. If you look here, you can see that 3 inch to 3/4 inch is coarse gravel. And you can see as you look down these different sizes of sieves, like a number 210 to a number 200 is medium and fine sand. Here, number 200 and smaller again is silt or clay. So that's how a gradation works. And that's how they classify different kinds of materials.